You know, a lot of people are going to want to try to get out for the weekend, and try to be out there and see what's going to happen. Unfortunately, we could have some showers, and we're already starting to see that build up right now. In fact, take a look at our satellite and radar. As you can see, they're inching closer and closer. They're not here just yet, but they're getting here. As you can see with that radar, let's zoom out a bit more to show the rest of the state of Texas. A lot of rainfall, thunderstorms, showers, all starting to make their way closer and closer to the Texas coast. We're already getting some rainfall south of Houston, getting closer to Corpus Christi as well, kind of veering up through Victoria and now closer to us, but it's still pretty decently far away. You can see where most of that is right now, kind of going over 77 at this point, getting closer into Houston. But we'll continue to monitor, see if any more of these kind of hold up and actually make their way on through. It looks like once we get some more daytime heating, that should allow for a few more showers to pick up. So I looked up our flood threat for today from the Weather Prediction Center. And so far, it's just 2 counties that are part of that, Lee County and Fayette County. Everything else is left out of that, and that's what we pretty much expected. Because as we play this out, you'll notice where most of the rainfall is, and it's within those 2 counties. And I'm not saying they're the only ones that are going to see rainfall. We can see Bastrop, Travis, Williamson, Milam, and even Hayes County getting some decent rainfall out of that, all the way down to Caldwell County. But we'll continue to monitor it as the day goes on. I'll give you updates not only now, but at our 4 p.m. newscast. Then we get out towards Saturday. You can actually see a few more showers that should build up there. That continues as we go throughout Saturday afternoon into Saturday evening. Hill Country will be part of this, and then that's pretty much out. As we get into Sunday, a few more showers will build up from the south, start to move back in as that storm essentially is now pretty much within Mexico. And then we'll get a few more that should just kind of linger around before we're done for the day, and actually done for the next 7 days after that. So as we look at your flood threat for Saturday, that extends a bit farther out towards the west, now including Bastrop, Caldwell County, Milam County, and portions of Williamson County as well. So this is a wider view and a wider look of what it'll look like as we go throughout Saturday and Sunday. As you can see, there's a lot of moisture that'll flow in essentially for us. And once we get into Monday, that's it. You may get a few more showers down towards San Antonio and Houston, but at that point, most of the tropical moisture is pretty much said and done, and then we're just left out in the hot, dry sun. Now, as we look at your rainfall totals from today through Sunday, 1/4 of an inch to 1/2 an inch, mostly out towards the eastern counties. A lot less as you make your way into the hill country itself. Could see 1/10 of an inch or less within that area. Here's a look at your 7-day forecast, putting it all together. Rain chances for the weekend. We'll see temperatures drop 92 to 94 degrees. By Monday, we're back up 95. By Tuesday, 97. And then we'll start to see everything clear out. Wednesday and Thursday, we have that possibility of hitting triple digits once again. And I may even have to extend that through the end of next week.